Christina, Passfield, Elevator and Amusement Device Inspector for Technical Standards and Safety Authority. I inspect elevators and amusement rides and ski lifts and go-karts and construction hoists to make sure that they're safe for the public. I'm a graduate from Durham College of Applied Arts and Technology in Oshawa, Ontario. Moving forward, we continue our education annually at various workshops and seminars that's provided by my employer. I communicate with building owners, elevator companies, amusement ride companies, the public, explain what I'm doing on site. I get on top of the elevators. I do my hoistway inspections to gain compliance with the Elevator Act and regulations and codes. I do initial turnovers on elevators, amusement rides. I've inspected amusement rides up at Canada's Wonderland, ski lifts in Haliburton, Whitby area, and construction hoists on new projects. It could be anything from hydraulics, piping that I learned back in my education process. Passenger elevators, I'm looking at cables, I'm looking at mechanical equipment, electrical equipment, hoistway wiring. Amusement rides, I'm looking at running go-kart tracks, go-karts themselves, and checking braking distances, speeds of go-karts, layout of track, and looking at the equipment and relating it back to the original design submission that it was basically built under. In order to make a decision on site, I have a lot of things to consider. I have the standard equipment that's on the site, I have the original design submission, I have the applicable codes that I have to adhere to in the province of Ontario. I gain knowledge by previous experiences, so if I have a code reference that I'm not quite sure about and how to apply some common sense into the industry, then I will talk with my peers that I've worked with over the years, our engineering staff, and just make sure that we're gaining compliance, which is related back to the original equipment. What I do affects the public's lives by keeping them safe. We inspect elevators, amusement rides, go-kart tracks, anything that basically moves people in the province of Ontario, so that when you're getting on top of a ski lift and you're going up to the top of the hill to enjoy your family time downhill skiing, you have some reassurance that yes, they go through an inspection process. When you get in an elevator, you know that they've been inspected by the Technical Standards and Safety Authority, and they've been engineered to be safe in the province of Ontario. What motivates me daily at work is developing relationships with elevator contractors, amusement device contractors, sharing my knowledge, and just working together as a team to gain compliance. The most interesting parts of my career are seeing new technology. I'm always in a different spot. I'm working on an elevator one minute, and then I'm turning the station in the afternoon and I'm inspecting an amusement device. I did not expect to be doing this when I left high school. My career path has taken a few unusual twists and turns. I've had to learn how to manage conflict and manage stress, whether it be elements, working out in the cold. I have to plan my day accordingly. So I'm working on a ski lift and I'm in minus 35-degree weather. I just have to think about what the next steps are and how I'm going to stay warm and stay safe for the day and still have a positive outcome. I like to tell young women to do something that scares them daily, whether it be introducing themselves to a stranger, walking up to someone and just saying, hey, how are you doing? What are you doing here? To don't ever quit. Stay focused and strive for excellence.